Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Omegle on your mobile. This browser works perfectly for Android and iOS. Okay, open your App Store and search Opera browser. After that, install it. Now my browser was installed and I am going to open it. After that, set up your browser. Okay, now search Omegle on Google and go to the website. This is the important part of this video. You can see there's an option to choose language for Omegle. You have to choose English for work Omegle as normal. After that, click on video and enjoy. So thanks for watching.